Did you know the average American consumes 57 pounds of sugar a year? Shocking, right? It's no wonder sugar is often called the silent saboteur of our health. But what if I told you there are simple, easy ways to cut sugar without sacrificing flavor or fun? You don't have to give up all your favorite treats to live healthier. Stay with me till the end, and I'll share the secrets to reducing sugar while keeping your meals satisfying and delicious. Hi, and welcome to Health Legacy TV. If you're passionate about living a healthier, happier life, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our expert tips and tricks for a better you. Let's dive in. Before we get into the how, let's understand the why. Excessive sugar consumption is linked to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even mood swings. But here's something you might not know. Sugar is hiding in places you'd never expect, like salad dressings, breads, and even healthy granola bars. Reducing sugar can improve your energy levels, help you shed unwanted pounds, and even make your skin glow. Isn't that worth trying? Let's start with the basics. Where is all this sugar hiding? Sugar comes in many forms: sucrose, glucose, fructose, and even fancy names like maltose and agave nectar. Learn to read food labels. If a product lists sugar in the first 3 ingredients or has more than 10 grams per serving, it's time to rethink your choice. Here's a pro tip. Be extra cautious with low-fat or diet products. They often compensate for flavor loss by adding extra sugar. Let's start with a big one: sodas, energy drinks, and even store-bought fruit juices. Did you know 1 can of soda can contain up to 10 teaspoons of sugar? Swap them out for healthier options like sparkling water, herbal teas, or infused water with slices of lemon, mint, or berries. It's refreshing and keeps you hydrated without the sugar spike. Instead of refined sugar, try natural sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit, or even a drizzle of raw honey. Remember, even natural sweeteners should be used in moderation. Craving something sweet? Go for fresh fruit like berries, apples, or oranges. They're naturally sweet and come packed with fiber and vitamins. If you're a fan of crunchy snacks, opt for nuts or seeds over sugar-coated granola. Cooking at home gives you total control over what goes into your meals. Try using cinnamon or vanilla to add a hint of sweetness to baked goods and breakfasts without adding sugar. Let's be realistic. Going cold turkey is hard. Start small by cutting sugar in your coffee or tea by half. Gradually, your taste buds will adjust, and you'll stop craving that extra sweetness. Protein and fiber help stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep you full longer. Add foods like eggs, beans, lentils, and whole grains to your meals to keep those sugar cravings at bay. We all know how tough sugar cravings can be, especially when you're stressed or tired. But here's a trick. When cravings hit, drink a glass of water and wait 10 minutes. Often your body is just thirsty. If that doesn't work, try a healthier alternative like a piece of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, or a handful of nuts. And don't forget to get enough sleep. Lack of rest can make those sugar cravings even worse. Once you start reducing sugar, you'll notice incredible changes. Your energy levels will skyrocket, your waistline will thank you, and even your mental clarity will improve. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed instead of sluggish. That's the power of saying goodbye to sugar. Now that you know the easy ways to reduce sugar, it's time to take the first step. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate your wins along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community here at Health Legacy TV for more tips on living your best life. And hey, check out our other videos for more insights into improving your health naturally. Together, let's build a healthier legacy.